हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल जनरल टॉक्स विद आशीष। टुडे आज का टॉपिक जो है एक जनरल टॉपिक है जो आपके डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज़ होता है। लेकिन इससे पहले मैं चाहूँगा कि आप चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। इससे हमें मोटिवेशन मिलेगा और अच्छी वीडियोस बनाने का हम आपको अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस बना के देंगे। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है एटीट्यूड। एटीट्यूड is a very important topic. So let's start. Attitude means how you believe in yourself. The way you believe, you will act accordingly. So attitude, if your attitude is positive, in that case you will feel self-confident, you will feel very high and you can achieve desired results. And if your attitude is negative, then you will feel very low and you will feel yourself as an underperformer. So now let's start. Now here is attitude. So attitude means your self belief system. Attitude means self belief system. How you believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, then you can achieve the desired results. So basically, attitude is determined by four factors. Number one, education. Number two, experiences. Number three, environment. Number four, social factor. Basically, education plays a very important role in determining the attitude of a person. If you are highly qualified, if you have get good knowledge and you have gained good education, in that case you would be feeling very confident. आपको अच्छा लगेगा कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट फील करेंगे कि आप हाईली क्वालिफाइड हैं और एजुकेशन सिस्टम आपका स्ट्रांग है. So that's why it plays a very important role that how you feel more confident. Now the second point is experiences. Experiences means what kind of experience do you have in your life in terms of like bad experiences, good experiences, how you have born and brought up, your experiences in the family, your experiences in the school. So it determines the attitude of a person. If any person had a very bad experience, in that case he is in a fear state of mind. He is fearless. He won't able to take the decision and he always think from that perspective that he can't able to perform. So that's why experience also play a very significant role in determining the attitude. Now the third point is environment. So environment also the same thing, like how in the social environments, how your friend circle, in what kind of environment you are living. So that also play a major role in determining the attitude of a person. Then social factors. Social factors also the similar thing. The society and this thing, how basically you react in that situation. So that also basically shows the character of your attitude. So now these are all the factors which determines your attitude. Now we move to another one. So how leader is different from his followers? Leader कैसे different होते हैं अपने followers से? Can you judge or comment in the comment box? See, leader is different from the followers because they have a positive attitude. They command. That's why different from followers. So I give you the perfect example. Our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is a very great leader. He brought changes in India. Well, that's why everybody follows him. Even the foreign Prime Minister give him the respect. He command the respect. Why? Because he is having the positive attitude, and that's why whole worldwide give him respect for that. So that's why leaders has these kind of quality, that attitude makes them different from the followers. Now I explain you with one positive example. The positive example is of animal. So lion. So lion is king of jungle, and eagle is also king of bird kingdom. But आपने कभी सोचा है कि why lion is king of the jungle? Lion is not very big in size. Lion is also not very strong like rhino. Lion is not very big in size in terms of like elephant. Elephant is more the heaviest animal. He is very tall, and even giraffe is also very tall. But still, why lion is termed as a king of jungle? Because he commands the respect from all the animals, because he is having that kind of a belief system. When in the jungle, lion walks and he stares at any animal, his belief system is always say that he is going to target that animal. So that is the attitude of the lion that makes him different from the other animals. That's why he commands respect from the animals. That's why lion is the king of a jungle. If the person is having the positive attitude, he always command respects from the other people, and every people will judge him from the fair positive attitude. So that makes him the strong person. So that's why people have to believe in themselves and keep always positive attitude. That will definitely improve their personality, and also able to deal in a very tricky situations. So that's why this is the topic of the attitude. I hope I have explained you in a very easy manner. Let's also take the example of a very popular movie, Border, in which I think you remember that like in India versus Pakistan war, at that time when soldiers were very less in numbers, but still India won and defeated the Pakistan army and captured the area. So that's why that is all about the belief system of the leadership that really help and motivates the soldiers to really be in attacking mode and always defeat them. So that is all about the belief system. So hopefully, if you practice and if you believe in yourself, I think nothing is impossible for anybody. So thank you guys for watching my video. I think आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. ऐसे ही आप प्लीज मेरे वीडियो को देखें और उस पर कमेंट करें, और कुछ क्वेश्चंस होते हैं तो प्लीज कमेंट पे लिखें, जिससे हम अपने क्वेश्चंस का आपको रिप्लाई करेंगे, आंसर्स आपको आंसर देंगे. सो थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. See you in next video. Bye.